Hello guys, TechGuy here, back with another video, and this time it is the review of the Xiaomi Pocket Speaker 2. So without further ado, let's get started. The Xiaomi Pocket Speaker 2 was recently launched by Xiaomi in India with some other cool products. This is a compact Bluetooth speaker by Xiaomi and it cost around 1500 Indian rupees. It is available on the MI store and I am providing a link in the description box for the same. As far as the unboxing experience goes, this is the box of the speaker. It has an image of the speaker to the front and some specs written to the back. Opening up the box, you get the Bluetooth speaker itself with a quick start guide, and there is nothing else in the box. Now taking a look at the speaker itself, the speaker is very compact in size and the build quality is very good. It feels way more premium than some other speakers at this price point. It is entirely made out of aluminium and the build quality is bang on in my opinion. Now to the front it has an LED indicator and to the back there is a micro USB port which will be used to charge the speaker. The speaker grill is present on the top and the bottom has rubber padding to prevent the speaker from sliding. The upper portion of the speaker acts as the power button and the volume knob. To turn on the speaker, you need to press the speaker grill for a few seconds until the LED starts blinking, and you can rotate the speaker grill as a knob to increase or decrease the volume. It is a clever design option by Xiaomi and it feels premium to use. Now coming to the sound quality of the speaker, I have been using this speaker from the last week and I have to say it is not the loudest speaker I have heard at this price point. The sound output though is clear and there is no distortion even at maximum volume. It does not sound bad in any way, but the loudness is little bit on the lower side. So do not expect any miracles in terms of loudness from this speaker. Finally, let's talk about the battery life. Xiaomi claims that it can give about 7 hours of playback time on single charge, and in my uses, the speaker actually gave me about 5 to 6 hours of playback on above 90% of volume. So battery life in my opinion is decent on this speaker. So guys, this was my review of the Xiaomi Pocket Speaker 2. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such videos. Bye bye.